If people sense that there is untruth or there's falsehood, they lose confidence in the justice system. Who guards us from the guardians? What most people forget is that in the monarchical system, it was a contract. The people agreed to support the king or the queen, as it may be. The monarch agreed to support the people. And feudalism worked on the same basis. I'm not suggesting we should go back to it, but right through civilised history, it's basically been contracts agreed between people. I mean, for example, most people in the Western world, whether in the United States, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, or whatever, that emanated out of what is now called the United Kingdom, know about the Battle of Hastings and how William the Conqueror came over from what is now France, from Normandy, to invade England, and the English lost. The English king lost. Some say it was because the Normans were better soldiers. It wasn't. It was because the British army was depleted at the time, because just before the Battle of Hastings there was an invasion from the north, and what we'd call conscription existed in those days under the feudal system. Each landowner supplied troops and men to fight in the army, and they all went up north, Battle of Stamford Bridge, which they won, and then William invaded in the south. But the 40 days was up, because under medieval law you could only be conscripted for 40 days, and so most of the army went home at the end of the 40 days. They didn't have to stay, and Harold was left with just his housecarls, his own personal troops, to fight the battle. So he was outmanned to start with. Plus, when his troops got there, they'd force marched from the north of England, and they were exhausted. And that small accident of history changed the system. The Anglo-Saxon system went, the Norman system came in, and it developed into the system we have now.